I curse you. She matches my tattoo. Deciding on the box. I feel like the middle one's the best. I don't like the jello.
I don't know if I might put that one.
Okay, this is what Sam decided on. What happened to your finger?
I don't know. Cats.
So cute. Wait, which one are you hoping for? Donald, obviously, or Stitch? Judy would be mythical full. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
You want to show me first? Oh my!
Why are her eyes like?
Oh my god! That doesn't even look like Judy. Who is that? I'm doing this one because I want to get the one with the heart to match my new tattoo, which is also the logo on the box. I have a good feeling. Wait, zoom in on the unboxing. Please, please. Okay, I would be happy with any, but it would just be awesome to be matching my tattoo.
No car.
No car. Oh, the bag is cute. Did I get it? Oh, but I did get the frog. Oh,
That's cute.
why is she so pink? I didn't expect her to be so pink.
I like that.
120? Yeah. Big box. Sam and I got a bunch of money from dog sitting, so we put $120 on this, and we're gonna see how much we can win with it. Starting with this. First try, first try. Oh! Look at all the credits. Okay. Come on. It's just not strong. Come on. Okay, please. Oh no! Come on. This is gonna be it. This is it. Yes! Oh no! He's like, please save me. Come on. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. Okay. This is what I want. Look at this. I want to be in there. Okay, now we're going for this guy. It looks hard. No!
Maybe going from.
Now look at him. So cute. Okay, actually that's creeping me out.
See that? That's pretty good.
Okay, Sam has got this one on her first try in the past. No pressure. Now that we've entered a winning streak, Sam is going back for magic card. Please, please. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Literally a winning streak. Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, I don't know how many credits in, but we got this, and we got magical so far. We only used we still have like 700 left. Okay, seeing if we can keep the streak going. Sam has really good luck with this one. I don't know.
It's way further back.
Yeah. Alright, retry this one. It's hard to see from this angle. Oh my god, you're joking. Wait, it doesn't go that far.
Or maybe go for that one back there.
Oh no, it isn't going that far in either direction. Should I just go for this?
Yeah.
Oh no! No!
What? Does that count for something?
We got this ball!
Does that count?
Decided this is better. I want this one. Okay. Wait, which one should I go for? That one that's like right next to
Right
it?
in the middle.
Yeah. Okay.
Or the one right there. Right on the edge.
Yeah, I'm afraid it's gonna like.
Try this one first.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's good. Oh no!
No, it's good, it's good.
I don't know, she's gonna fall out the side. No!
Go for that one. Do you want me to go for that one?
Yeah, maybe. Okay, I sadly had to recruit Sam. She's going for that one. Oh, maybe. It might work. Oh. But I don't want you to like get stuck on the plastic thing.
Try this one again.
I don't know, it's tough to say. Come on, Missy, please, girl. Please.
Why is it like so weird to me?
Yeah, it's weird. We're like getting the wrong angle.
One more time.
Okay. This is just so funny with all the stuff on the top. Come on, Miffy. Yes, that's perfect. It goes, why does it go down so much? Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God, no.
She's right
there. You don't have to do it again. If you want to do something better. Oh, she's already done it. Look, 500 credits. Come on, Miffy. For Valentine's Day. No. Just forget it. We found another one, and this one was only 9 credits. Oh, but that was close. They scammed us. We did the 11 credit one like 5 times. Come on, 9 credit, Miffy. This one doesn't go down as far too, look. Oh! Now going for Pachaco. Oh my God, why is he so easy? Oh my God, oh my God! Wow. Wow, what, you have something in your hair. Yay! You had something in your hair. Gone back for yet another form of Miffy. Wait, is it not working? Scammed.
I think it took my credit.
What does this mean? What the heck? Let's see. Oh, it's like vibrating. I don't know, I feel like it's gonna hit the glass.
Try. Oh, that's good.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
I think you get that. Do it again.
What the heck was that? That was so dumb, it like just flicked it. Wow, this is not fair. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, going back for another figure. It's just a matter of if it carries it. Yeah, it's so heavy. I don't know the strategy, but we're going for Inosuke. Because it looks like it's almost done. Oh, what? What is that? 3rd time's a charm. I literally just started recording. The guy's gonna be so mad. The guy last time was like, am I gonna have to follow you too around? Photo booth moment. This is so cute. She went back for more. Oh my God. Wow. I'm like trying to show our pictures and she's like, oh, got one more. talented. This is another one that Sam is randomly really good at. Oh, I jinxed her. She's rusty.
40 tickets.
Alright, pretty good. Now we're leaving with our epic haul. Walking out with the loot. Yay! Walking out.